Hi everyone, this is Jess from thesitecollective.com and welcome to our introduction to mindfulness practice. This is the introductory level guided session. You should repeat this session daily at a time when you are mentally alert. We suggest you do this daily for at least 30 days before moving on to our intermediate level session. Start by sitting with your back straight. Look gently out over your environment until you feel comfortable in this space. When you're ready, I invite you to close your eyes and keep your posture erect throughout. Now focus your attention on what you can hear in your environment. Perhaps there's birds or street sounds. Cast your attention to nearby sounds and distant sounds. Cast your attention to new sounds as they arise. Now draw your attention inwards. Start to focus on parts of your body which you're comfortable focusing upon. Perhaps start at your feet, the sensation of their contact with the ground. Work your way up your body, focusing next on lower legs, knees, working your way up through your body, focusing on the parts of your body which you are comfortable to focus on. We'll leave you to do this for a minute. If your mind wandered away from that, that's okay. Refocus on your body and continue. Now we will move the focus to your breath. Where do you feel the air move? Can you feel the sensation in your nostrils? Does your chest rise or does your belly rise? Or both? To help you stay with your breath, you may wish to simply say to yourself, in, as you breathe in, and out, as you breathe out. If your mind wandered, that's good, it's normal. Now return to the breath. We'll stay with the breath for a few minutes. I will check in with you very soon. Try to notice when your mind wanders. That's the main goal. Did you notice your mind wandering? We are learning the skill of noticing that our mind has wandered. Gaining awareness of this automatic process is our main goal. Return to the breath. I'll check in with you in a minute. Notice if your mind wanders. Did you notice your mind wandering? You'll become better at this as you practice. So the goal is not really to stay focused on your breath. You can focus on anything. The breath is just convenient. The real goal is to notice that your mind has wandered from your point of focus. As you get better at this, it will impact your daily life. You will become more aware of your reactions and less stuck in ruminations. Return to your breath now. Specifically, try to notice when your mind has wandered. Were you able to notice that your mind wandered? If so, that's good. Let's do this one last time today. Return your focus to the breath with the goal of noticing that your mind has wandered. Now we'll take the next 30 seconds off. Let your mind go free with no point of focus. Now take your focus back to your environment. What can you hear? And when you're ready, open your eyes. Many find the process of guided meditation relaxing. Some do not. Meditation can achieve a relaxed state, but that is not the whole point of meditation. A gift of meditation is that it can reduce the trait of rumination and improve the trait of emotional reactivity. This requires practice. We suggest you repeat this guided meditation daily. As you get better at noticing your thoughts wander, you will require less prompting. You'll be ready for intermediate level guided meditation.